time for a quick imitation.
You want to meet Jack Sparrow and show him your pirate? Hey, you gonna get the
Right then, gather around! Gather around! The time is upon us for those with adventurous spirits to be regaled and informed by none other than that world-renowned and notorious scourge of the seven seas, Captain Jack Sparrow himself! The captain's promised to hold forth and educate in the skills and requirements for pursuing life in a pirate trade. If you wish to learn useful and important survival skills, this can only be taught by Captain Jack Sparrow. Well then, gather around as his arrival is... His arrival is... his arrival is imminent. This, of course, is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. It is as soon as he gets here. My name is Mac. Everyone say hello, Mac. And I'm acting under the direct orders of Captain Jack Sparrow himself. Mac, he says, go into the square and gather the crowd for me pirate tutorial. And he says, oh, yeah, he said, make sure that the local constabulary is not there. You, sir. You wouldn't be with the authorities, right? The popo? No?
Nope.
Oh, thank goodness. There's good in that, but here you are, and here I am, and the good captain, nowhere to be found. Oh, what's that to do?
All you can do is wait.
And a fine thing it is too, mate. We sit around waiting for Jack Sparrow.
Captain Jack Sparrow, if you please.
Yes, of course. We all know it's Captain Jack Sparrow!
My thanks, you are far too kind. Nicely done, Mac. You've done exactly as I asked. In spite of yourself, nicely done. So it's the pirate's life you claim to seek. Forgive me, you do not look like the usual sort of attracted to the allure of this, dark profession. Perhaps I've misjudged all of you there. Tell me, do you lot seek adventure?
Yeah!
Do you seek a reputation as someone to be reckoned with?
Yeah!
Do you seek treasure beyond your wildest dreams? Yeah, I thought you like that. Well, it don't come easy, Sept. So you need to have skill.
You need to have skill!
Right. You need to be cunning.
You need to be cunning.
It takes talent.
You must have an abundance of talent!
You need patience.
And you also need... Oh, look, I found Nemo.
Let's just put a lot of you to the test and see if you have what it takes. Now, are you ready?
Yeah! The captain asks, are you ready? Yeah! Only trying to help. I'm watching you.
Now, loosing and plundering may be all well and good, mateys, but it is the sailing it takes to get there. That is hard work, so to begin, let's get you all working on developing some of those necessary skills. Let me see everyone raise a strong right arm in the air.
Up with the starboard side. Starboard!
Yes, no, thank you. Hey, now raise your left arm in the air.
Up with the port side, Swamps.
You're not qualified. Let's use them both. Hands around like you're raising the sail of a ship.
Like you're raising a sail. Starboard port, starboard port, starboard port, starboard port.
Yeah, I'm seeing potential out there, mate. Now, during your journey some fine day, you might find yourself on the wrong side of an argument, say with your captain or even a crewmate.
Or both, based on your experiences.
Both, based on my experience. Should this occur, based on my experiences, you will find yourself now. I can put this very delicately.
Delicate like this. I've been marooned in accordance with the pirate code. Woo! I've been
Thank you. Should this occur and if a ship is passing by, if you wish to save yourself, you would need to be attracting some of attention, wouldn't you? So let me see all of you ladies on your feet.
On your feet.
Stand up. Wave your arms back and forth over your head. All of you, jump up and down.
Right, say it with me like this. Save me!
Save me!
Save me! Save me!
Oi! Oh, I can see the rescue in my mind's eye for that one.
I'm begging your pardon there, Captain. Captain, in your honor, the crew and I have taken to calling those...
What was that?
Jumping Jacks.
Truly flattered by that, but I doubt it will much be remembered. What will be remembered is you with the spider on your shirt. Come this way. Up the stairs. Go. Yes, all the way. Thank you. And you with the hat. Go this way. It's on the wrong way, just so you know. And you in the purple. Come up the stairs. Yes, go with them.
Captain,
Yes, Mac.
how about
What?
that one right there?
What one?
That one.
Him?
Yes.
The one with the beard?
Yes, sir.
Why him?
Because he's already on the stage.
Yes, sir.
How about a great big hand for the volunteers?
Hey. Now you look like just the sort that I could count on in a scrape. Pay very close attention. I say this because we will now undertake the delicate art of swordplay.
That's right, the delicate art of swordplay.
Show me.
Aha! The delicate art of sword. What's up?
Right, you know, for everyone's safety, mostly mine, we're just using practice cutlasses that I had Mac make earlier. Now tell me, can I trust you? None of you. Good. Are we at least all friends? Hey, a few of you. Friendship is a very important thing, isn't it? But a pirate's best friend is fear. And fear's weapon of choice, of course, is surprise. Savage, when it comes to fighting, we only fight to win. The rules no matter are what a man can do. Yes.
Ow, my pirate booty.
And what a man cannot do. If you cannot beat the other fellow that you will try and fight, survival is the way to win. So you must distract. What is that? Then flee.
I see, it's simple. You just distract. Hey, what is that? And then you flee.
Mac, what is that?
That's my little ballet. Yeah, and here's my big ballet.
Stop that. Let's demonstrate that. All of you scoot back that way. Scoot back. We're going to demonstrate for you what you're doing. It's 2 strides. To the right, to the left. Thrust straight into his belly. Point your finger past Mac and say, look, it's Blackbeard's daughter.
Where?
And you flee. Running over to this corner here. Do you have any questions about that? Still not paying attention. Good. As they make their great escape running away, I expect each and every one of you to scream hurrah for them. Can we do that on 3? 1, 2, 3. Hurrah! Music's in my ears. You. Now you wait right there. Take this. Step out. Step forward. Now go for it. To the right. To the left. Poke him in his belly. He'll come to you. Now point your finger. Say, look! It's Blackbeard's daughter.
Where?
Hurrah! Very good. You just wait right there. This way. Hit to the right, to the left, poke him in his belly. Now point your finger, say it. Look. Oh, look. Blackbeard's daughter.
Where?
Run away. Hurrah!
Now they're getting the hang of it, sir.
Here they are. Are you ready? Good, I'm not. You wait there. Step out. To the right, to the left, poke him in his belly. Yes, now point your finger, say it.
Where?
Hurrah! Catching on, Mac. Well, there's no one left. It is your turn. That's okay, you can have 2. You'll be like a hibachi chef. Right. Now he's really. You think you can take on Mac? Your beard is melting. Mac, step aside. I am fighting the bearded child.
Oh, he's taking on the captain. Everybody say, don't be afraid, mate. Step over here. Look him right in the eye. Give him a pirate face. Grrr. Yes, just like that. Perfect. Here we go. Let's fight then. Here we go. Straight right. Straight left.
Freestyle.
All right, guys.
He just hit you on the belt.
Stab his belly. Stab his belly.
It's not my belly.
No, it's not the belly. All right, now point your finger. Yes, say, look. Blackbeard. Daughter.
You know, she's really not that attractive, He's in his own. I believe he's drunk.
Hurrah!
All of you, come back to me. Come back this
Make a
way.
line, make a line.
Stand there, face your families, hold your swords up high, and let me hear you snarl, arr, loudly, or just giggle. How about one more round of applause for these excellent swordsmen? Yes! Amazing. Go there now. I'm my favourite pirate too. I love me. Step over here. Come this way. Go that way. You just do whatever you want. Now who else wants to join my crew? Raise your hand. You, go up there. You two, go up that way. Yes, you, go up the stairs. Just for looking at me that way. Now you have to go. You, up the stairs. You and you and you and you. This one. This, I know you. Yes, and do not focus on her makeup. It makes you very nervous, doesn't it? You go that way. Go up the stairs. Just come this way. Nothing says pirate like paint. Go over there. Now you lot, are you ready to join my crew?
This way.
Do you to seek a life of adventure? Scream yo-ho! Everyone, yo-ho! Yes, Max, with him to that pirate out.
Aye, sir, right then, take the papers I just gave you, put them in your starboard hand. That'll be your right hand, mate. Now turn round and face the captain.
Face me.
Now signify your pledge to the captain by saying aye. I can't hear you. You had this well, say aye.
Are you ready? What happened to I? Do you pledge to abide by the pirate code?
Aye.
And do you pledge to take only your fair share of spoils acquired during our enterprise?
And if someone was to insult the captain, you would spit in there. Haven't you solemnly pledged to obey the orders of the captain? Even when placed in mortal danger? Or facing certain death?
Yeah, we lost some of you on that one.
Right then, turn around and face the crowd. Hold your papers up proudly. I hereby bouquet that each and every one of you have been designated as crew members in the future service of Captain Jack Sparrow. 3 cheers. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Big cheer.
Yes, it's wonderful. You all did amazing. Now go away. Go that way. Use the steed. Return to your families. If you cannot find your families, just find a better one. Mac, I think we should celebrate with a song.
A song, sir.
Yes. Harry, all of you know this chorus. Sing with us. Yo ho,
Yo ho, a pirate's life for me.
sing yo ho.
Yo, a pirate's life for me.
We pillage and plunder, we rob, we lead, drink off me hearties yo ho. We kidnap and ravish and don't give a hell. Drink off me hearties yo ho. Sing yo ho.
Yo, a pirate's life for me.
Yo ho.
Yo ho, a pirate's life for me.
Screaming! We shot, we double, we built, we sang, drink off me hearties yo ho. We're on the desert and even I drank, drink off me hearties yo ho. Sing! All of you just scream at once. Yo ho!
A pirate's life
Not
for
really.
me.
We rascals and scoundrels and villains and knaves, drink off me hearties yo ho.
We're devils and black sheep.
We're really bad eggs, drink off me hearties yo ho. Sing yo ho. Yes, Rachel, scream
Life
it.
for me.
Big finish, yo ho.
Yo ho,
Oh boy.
Captain, that's beautiful.
Well, it was simply a choir of angels.
You know what I think? I believe that a crew that could sing like that could be trusted. Even if they did know there was a king's ransom waiting for them as a price on your head.
Price? No, you said my head.
Yes, sir.
You just showed a lot of them there.
Yes, I tried.
Well done, man.
Thank you, sir.
Amazing. Hey, you, look, it's Blackbeard's daughter.
Where?
Bon voyage.
What? I see what you Captain. Captain. How about a great big hand for Captain Jack Sparrow's Pirate tutorial? And an even bigger hand for me! Well, it seems we misplaced a good captain once again, and that could be dangerous for us all, right? So for now, you should stay in these costumes you're wearing. Should the captain have needs of you, he'll send you a signal you won't soon forget. But until then, mateys, mum's the word, and keep your powder dry. Fare thee well, friends!